McLagan cuddio'r bêl. Dim trosedd, blan tro'r Hugh iddi, mae'n frwydr yng nghanol ca, a mae'r bas yn hwyrol gan Harrison yn dod o hyd I dŵl. Sam Dŵl, Bacare tu allan iddo fe. 4 yn disgwyl am groesiad yn y canol, Dŵl yn ychwanegu hunan at y postyn pella, Michael Wilde, mae lawr ac mae mewn, ac mae Michael Wilde wedi rhoi Ceicona ar y blaen. Mor syml â hynny, clwstwr y chwaraewyr yn disgwyl y croesiad, a Michael Wilde ar y postyn pella yn rhwydo I 4edd gôl o'r tymor. Wel, mae Dean John fan hyn yn pechu, nid yn unig chwaraewyr y Bari, ond hefyd cefnogwyr y Bari. I chi'n clywed I ymateb nhw i'r penderfyniad diweddara. Jonathan Hood yn cael ei alw draw. Mae Hood yn codi'n gynnar, ond oherwydd hynny, ac oherwydd I brotestiadau, mae Hood yn derbyn Cerdyn Melyn. Does dim record. O, mae'n Gerdyn Coch! 8 munud ar 20 wedi chwarae. Maen nhw'n gôl ar ei holi, a nawr mae'r Bari lawr I 10 dyn. Cummins, gyfle I groesi, mae'n groesiad da! Ac yna'n acrobataidd ar y foli, Cain McLagan heibio'r postyn. Ceicona, un llygad ar y benc ampwriaeth yna. Dyma Declan Poole, Poole 3 yn disgwyl am y croesiad, Poole mewn i'r cwrt cosbi, ar ei drod chwith, Bale yn gwyro, a mae mewn gan Insel. Yr ergyd acrobataidd gan Jamie Insel yn dyblu mantais Ceicona. A drychwch ar yr ergyd acrobataidd na gan Jamie Insel, 7fed gôl o'r tymor. Y bas tu fewn at pres, ond pres yn colli'r meddiant a chyfleu wrth ymosod, a dyma Sam Dŵl dros hanner ffordd. Dŵl yn parhau I fynd. Sam Dŵl mewn i'r cwrt cosbi ar ei drod chwith, ergyd Ishel! Ac mae'n dair. Yr ail I Michael Wilde, a camgymeriad arall gan Mike Lewis yn y gôl. A mae nos da ar y Bari cyn yr hanner. Y bêl gan Hugh, Chris Hugh. Cion Raffel yn gwneud y rhediad. Mae'n torri tu fewn y bêl gan Evan Press. Press yn helpu'r bêl mlaen at Luke Cummins. Cummins, yr ergyd o bell. Yna'r gorau ni wedi gweld o'r Bari am dipyn. A fe all Ceicona fforddio ar y blaen o dair I ddim. Basio'r bêl o gwmpas y dreigiau. Mae gan Farquharson. Mae'n chwilio I groesi, a dyna Insel am ei ail. A mae dair wedi troi yn beder. I ni wedi chwarae 9 munud yn yr ail hanner. Y croesiad o'r chwith gan Farquharson. Ac mae Jamie Insel yn penio heibio I Mike Lewis. A mae pethau mynd o ddrwg I wath i'r dreigiau. Wolf. Mae Horan yn disgwyl ar draws gôl. Os yna rhywun yna I rwydo, os yn wir. Declan Poole, ond na. Trosedd yn y cwrt cosbi. Chwiban, Dean John yn rhwystro Ceicona.
Yeah, it's a great result. You know, I'm not naive enough to think that that you dominate possession and play and score 4 goals away against Barry unless there's something that's happened within the game, and obviously the sending off has played a main factor in the result. But in saying that, you know, we started incredibly well. We were 1-0 up, and I thought we were creating great opportunities. You know, we were causing them problems with the 2 up top that were getting down the sides that we'd worked on this week. So we were really pleased with that, and of course the red card changes the direction of the game, and then we score at fantastic times. To go 2-0 up straight away as they go to 10 and then get the third on half-time makes it a really tough night for them, and I've got nothing but respect for Barry for the way they went about it in the second half, because there was lads there covering the job of 2 or 3 players at times to stop us getting through them. So, you know, that takes great character. So really impressed with that, and I know it's a tough day. I've been in that exactly the same position, down to 10 men and been 3 and 4 down, and you want your players to stand up, and Gav's players certainly standed up.
Gavin, a nightmare afternoon for you and your team. Whatever could go wrong, did go wrong.
Yeah, it seemed that way today. Look, best team won, you know, no doubt about that at all. Just disappointed really in the fact that I feel the occasion was spoilt by the sending off. you know, and I'm just disappointed in the fact that we've conceded some sloppy goals today. And last 2 weeks we haven't been us really. We're a humble, hard-working, honest team that's got some really good players, and in the last 2 weeks we've probably got away from that. And now it's a chance now to show the other side of us. We've certainly been through worse than this and come out the other end. And you know, as a manager, I'm really excited to see what the boys will put up next week.
In the context of the race for the championship, how important is this 3 points?
The 3 points are massive. Let me put the statement out now. TNS win the league. TNS win the league. It's very hard for everyone else to get near them when it goes to that second format. If you play them twice and you don't see them again, but with playing them 4 times, it makes it very, very difficult. So yes, for me, they go and win the league, and it's about the rest of us, you know, competing and all out for that second and third place. And if things were to miraculously go your way over a season, you never know. You get down to them last 3 or 4 games, then you can ask a question when the heat's on, because as it's shown in European football, when the heat is on TNS, they come up short. They get beat 9s, they get beat 7s. So we could take it to the final 2 or 3 games and ask a question of them and just see just how strong they are. Because as I said, I've been in the league 7 years now, and in 7 years they've never won a game of football when they were the underdogs. It's always when they're favourites they go and win, but when they need to stand up, they come up short.